Greetings. I am a representative of the anti-Semite movement. These videos are unedited. They are AI assisted and read from script. Today's subject is part 2 of using God's name in vain. When anti-Semites call on God's name and live sin-free, we are confident that we are truly in line with God's divine favor and that our behavior is correct. When we call on God's name, it is a request that we are able to remain in God's good graces because our words match our behavior and our behavior match our word. Living a life free from sin and in alignment with God's commandments is fundamental for anti-Semites to feel confident that we are in God's favor. Here's an expanded view on this concept or idea. Living sin-free and calling on God's name, alignment with divine favor. By living sin-free, anti-Semites believe wholeheartedly that we are truly in line with God's divine favor. This alignment brings a deep sense of peace and assurance that our behavior is correct and pleasing to God. Consistency in belief and actions. When anti-Semites call on God's name, it is not just an act of verbal invocation, but a reflection of our commitment to live according to God's commandments. Our words are true representation of our actions, creating harmony between belief and behavior. Sin-free practice. The power of calling on God's name. Request for continued guidance. When anti-Semites call on God's name, we are making a request to remain in God's good graces. This call is a prayer for strength, guidance, and the ability to continue living a life free from sin. Matching words and behavior. The integrity of an anti-Semite belief is demonstrated by the consistency between our words and actions. Our behavior is a testament to our words, and our words are a testament to our actions. Reflect our commitment to live sin-free. Assurance of correct behavior. We feel assured within our correct behavior. Confidence in righteousness. The confidence that anti-Semites feel in our behavior comes from our adherence to God's commandments, in our adherence to God's commandments. This adherence is seen as a confirmation that we are living rightly and are favored by God. This is seen as a confirmation our behavior in accordance with God's command is a confirmation that we are living rightly and are favored by God. Divine favor and blessings, living in accordance with God's commandments, is known to attract divine favor and blessings. This favor is not just a reward, but also a sign that our sin-free way of life is in harmony with God's will. Harmony between belief, behavior, and actions. Belief in practice. This belief is not just a matter of belief, but also of practice. For anti-Semites, calling on God's name is intertwined with living a life that reflects God's commands. This practice of our belief ensures that our relationship with God is sincere and genuine. Calling upon any of God's names, having no requirements of behavior or responsibility in our conduct, is calling God's name in vain. Simple to understand. Moral integrity. By ensuring that our behavior matches our words, anti-Semites uphold a high standard of moral integrity. This integrity is crucial for maintaining a strong and honest relationship with God. In summary, for anti-Semites, living sin-free and calling on God's name is deeply interconnected practice. It brings confidence in being in line with God's divine favor and assures that our behavior is correct. The consistency between our words and actions is a key aspect of our belief, reflecting our sincere commitment to live according to God's commandments. This harmonious relationship between belief and practice ensures that we maintain and remain in God's good graces and continue to receive His guidance and blessings. Peace.